two big mistakes that students make with rhetorical skills question. The biggest mistake of all is not reading enough. So I've said this a few times, but you want to make sure you're reading enough to get all the clues and information you need to properly evaluate the question and the choices. So for rhetorical skills questions, you want to make sure you read at least the whole paragraph to best answer them. Sometimes, depending on the question, especially questions involving transitions, you actually need to read the previous paragraph and or the following paragraph to see how the paragraphs relate to each other. So make sure you're reading enough. A lot of times students kind of stop halfway and they miss some stuff later in the paragraph that can be quite helpful. Second biggest mistake is settling for the second best choice. So remember, we're looking for the best choice. We're not looking for the choice that's like, well, it's all right, I guess, I'll pick it. That's not very inspiring, right? You might see a choice in the 4 that's like, okay, that's like pretty good, I guess. And that's fine, hold it aside, but check all 4. Right? Always check all 4 choices. Try to find the one that's the best. So you might come down to 2 and focus on the one that's best. But how do we know which one's best? How do we know which answers are right? Is it just like by feel or by intuition? A little bit, perhaps. But what we're going to talk about now are the 4 principles. These are 4 rules or guidelines you can use to better help you work through these rhetorical skills questions and make better choices. So let's dive right into them.